Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Power Hour live stream here. We're going to do a quick breakdown of what we're seeing towards the market close. We got the MNQs. We got the MES here on deck as well. Going to clear up these charts real quick. See if we can call out any trades here. We got a level here of support. We got a key level right here. I'm actually done trading for the day, but I'll simulate just for the heck of it, for practice. But I believe price is probably going to come down to this area of demand. Demand. Looks like we're breaking lower here. I'm going to go ahead and start building a short position. So if we stay below this support line here, I believe this is going to go down to our demand zone. Probably a 1-2, something like that. Yeah, about a 1-2. Bad, not bad. It's probably my pullback here. We tested support. Yeah, buddy. Let's see who's on. Okay, so reason why I think it's going down is because we failed to hold above this this break of structure here on the hourly. Break of structure, and we've seen multiple rejections above these highs right here. Long way candle, long way candle. We have a great close on this bullish candle here, and then we have an engulfing red candle. So it's consistently rejecting over and over above these highs, and now settlers are starting to get a little bit more aggressive here. You see a nice push down to that demand zone, and that's where we'll be exiting my short. We have a level of support here as well. Let's mark it up, that way we keep track of it. But basically what I want to see is price, since these fair value gaps here have been mitigated on this move down, this should easily make its way down to that demand zone. Actually go ahead and I'm gonna cut 5 off. Let me see. Yeah, I cut 5 off actually. Put my stop all the way up here, and because I see a break of structure right here right now, this moment, price is going down. This creates a break of structure at these this support. We should be able to see a pullback. somewhere up here. I'm going to use the 61.8 all the way down to this fair value gap right here. Right here, this little fair value gap from the sell side. And then I'm going to use sort of like this zone as a potential pullback. And then, you know what I'm saying? Pullback retest, and then something like that. Something like that, guys. It's a bear market temporarily. We have lower highs on the 5-minute time frame here. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I'm expecting price to potentially maybe come down to this 200 EMA. We could see a bounce back up, and then, or it might just flush down. Sellers seem to be very strong here. Danny, what's good? How's it going, man? What's up? What's up? I keep just doing a little simulating in the power hour. I'm already done trading for the day, so I'm on the simulator just for practice. Just a little practice, man. Try to get better. Yes, sir. How'd it go? You do any trading today? Move this out of there. Here we go. Market's moving, it's chopping around there. It's looking a little weak right here. It's low. We could see that pullback coming really soon now. And I'm looking to sell more. Sell more here. Selling. There we go, it's just going. Right. Adding back the 5 that I had earlier. I was thinking that thing's gonna pull back up though. I may take them back off. I'll take the 5 off the top and pull it back. Oh, there we go. I see. Okay, cool. See, sometimes you just don't know when that push is coming. Uh, but either way, even if that push did not show up yet, I would have been looking for that pull back and then continuation to the downside. Not bad. Very aggressive selling here as we break support. Flush it. Yes, sir. Let's see. I'm good. I'm busy morning. Good, you're the best. Thank you, man. Did a swing trade on SLX. Nice. Oh yeah, I'll let them know when I see them. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Yeah, we've been out here trading. I was live this morning, but I was during the coaching session. But Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I was on live on the lounge, trading live. Yes, sir, man. We gotta get together next week or something, or tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be busy again. I'm gonna be coaching, but like I said, Monday through Wednesdays, I'm around, man. Those are my best days. Where I'm available in the morning and can trade together with the group. It's going crazy. Oh shit. Last 10 minutes. You know what? I'm gonna let all 10 contracts roll. Just simulating here a little bit, kind of playing with it. This is my P&L for the day on the simulator. When I practice, I like to practice with a lot of contracts just because I want to get used to the bigger numbers as I continue to grow as a trader. I want to get used to the bigger numbers, so I been playing around, testing it out, trading different size contracts, and trying to get used to that range of price. Okay, so let's see. It's okay to see some buyers here. Not gonna worry about. I'm using the fib level here to kind of find my zone. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, so yeah, that'll be my zone. Now that I have my zone now, I can take this Fibonacci retracement off the chart, or I can leave it there if you guys want to see it. But I see that we have a level of demand down below here that hasn't been mitigated yet. So I believe we're gonna probably end up down there by the time the market closes. And then I saw that we have some news. I think 4 o'clock. Yeah, we have Treasury International Capital, and then we have Fed balance sheet at 4:30. So I think the market probably wants to come down before those news reports are out. So, you know, seeing also that we have a break of structure here, it's kind of what's leading me to lean short. So I'm out my stop here. I'm gonna probably add a bunch more. It's at 30 over here. Let me tap into it. Gotta start somewhere, you know, when you start trading bigger size, you know, you have to get some practice before you bring it on to the real charts, you know, to the real accounts. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, just practicing. I'm gonna add 30 more over here on this kill zone for the sellers. Beautiful strong move. Guys, keep going, keep going. Maybe you can tag me in. We got this bit of a downtrend here. So we got lower highs, the rejection of all-time high, the breaking support. We have strong sellers here. I would really love that if it comes up so I can add more. Come on, come up a little more. I wanted to get in up all the way up there preferably, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more down here. This could either be a fake out, going down, trying to still push back up here. and then start to head back down. But the size of that candle's letting me know that that's likely not to happen. But I'm ready. If it does happen, I'm ready for it. You know, sometimes you gotta get in the right mindset. You know, and expect the unexpected. That way, when things go south, you don't panic. And then it says here, and I added 10 more. I like that little pullback there. Now, if we break below this low, then I'm gonna add a little bit more. Like I said, I'm trying to practice just trading bigger size, 30, 40, 60 contracts. So I know we're likely to get this big move down. And we have, let's see how much risk we have from here to here. 83. See how much that is. $83 for one contract. We have 30 right now, so that's times 30. We are risking 2,490 to make the fail board. Or actually, I'm gonna do 1-on-1 here just because I have such a large stock. So I'll do that. Risking 2,400 to make 2,400. And then I may add more as we go down. So if I do, then that potential profit will go much higher. Like in the reaction to this, sellers are getting a little bit more aggressive here. I'm gonna add 5 at a time if we break below these supports right here. Nope, we didn't break that support, so I'm gonna add any more BCX. Now we just chill, be patient. I know we're bouncing off of the 200 EMA off of there. Got the VWAP going right through it too. But there's quite a lot of selling right here coming down, so break the structure here, which means continuation to the downside. There we go. And I have 5 more. And another 5. Alright, got 40 pounds. I'll go ahead and take these 30 that I was going to add all the way up here. I don't think price is going to come back up there. So now that I have more conviction that price is going lower, now I'm just going to tighten my stop a little bit. Tighten my stop so my risk is a lot. Even though I added more contracts, my risk is less now after I added. Beautiful. Breaking that structure there. Nice. I want to see I want to see price get through this. This is an hourly support. And we're getting strong buyers at this hourly support, so we have to be careful that this is not a reversal. We still want to see a body, right? The body of the candle closed below this previous low here. This market might explode. Sometimes once it hits 4 o'clock and there's news, sometimes you'll get a very strong pop. So sometimes you gotta brace for impact. Just gotta do it. Come on. If we don't make it there in the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm probably going to take. Like I said, I'm just practicing trading larger size than usual. I'm usually just trading, 5, 10, 15 sometimes, maybe even 20, 30 on a good day. I'm trying to get used to trading 40, 50, 60 contracts just as I get better at this. The numbers sometimes can scare you once you start. Once you see that you're down $1,000, $2,000 in a trade, and you're not really used to it, it can really scare you. So. See if we get that move. Hopefully in the next 10 minutes. I'm looking to end this as soon as possible. Okay, so I think we're fine as long as we don't break structure to the upside. We should be fine. And let the little bit of green on the chart scare you. And let that scare you. And yes, on the hourly, it's also coming down, bouncing right up against that 15-minute opening range high. I'm expecting that move down. Still. Got series of lower highs. This may chop around here inside this range for a bit, but I think they'll manipulate price lower and then reverse it. Let's get back to the Qs. I know it looks like price is gonna go up, but still, we broke structure to the downside. The market can still pull back here and create a lower high than this high up here. So this is why I'm still holding trade. Just hoping we get that move before this thing is very slow. Still moving quite a bit. Excuse me, quite a bit. Some sort of trend channel there. Oh, market give us that move. Very good still. This can still play out here. Just have to be patient. Don't be scared of the number. Don't let that number scare you. Matter of fact, we're gonna have some more on this. It's not that perfect ideal entry. This would have been a preferred entry over here. But yeah, sometimes you can still, have an opportunity to scalp a little move. I know that was quite a bit on the day so far. Here it comes. And we get that push on. very easily. I could have been already shaken out of this trade. I mean, by the time I was getting in on the trade, I was like, up here, prices up here, just waiting, right? Waiting for things to play out. We got that Fed balance sheet, 4:30. Another 20 minutes at least from now. I think I might give this another 5 minutes or so. See if it goes. She's going. And we're gonna make some money. I think so. Someone dropped this joint. Drop this market, man. Drop it. Yo. And market is slightly bearish right now, still. So, like I said, we had that break of structure on the 5 minute. No reason for price to just reverse for no reason. Okay. When you have a break of structure, it's gonna be, for the most part, there's gonna be continuation. So, this is why I'm still holding on short. All right, Lenny. Yo, thank you for pulling up, man. I'll see you later. I'll see you around, man. Take it easy. Yeah, I'm about to close the stream in a second here. I just wanted to see if this played out. I might just leave it and just walk away, and I'll come back later to see if it's really played out or not. There it is. It's going. I knew it. It's too easy, man. It was good. This is an easy trade. Beautiful move down. It's at a 4. Straight down, baby. Straight down. I might add some more, man. Try another 5. This is a tough part about the market. Once it closes, starts to really slow down, starts to really drag. Continuing to break lower here. With Doji at the 5, this could be a potential reversal here. This could be a potential reversal. I think I might let this play out. Come back to it later. I'll leave this on for a bit. For those of you who are watching, can enjoy it.